Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn ascending and descending forms. That means we are going to write given numbers in ascending order and descending order. Ascending order means from small to big. Descending order means from big to small. Okay, but this time you are having big numbers. You have learned in your lower classes to deal with small numbers. This time we have big numbers because you know lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores and so on. So I will tell you how to do it. So once when the question is given to you, children, your first duty is to count the number of digits. How many digits are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, so the number which have less number of digit is this one, right? So in the ascending order, the first number will be 6, 4, 4, 6, 5. Okay, now you can forget about this number. Now, here there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits. And here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so this is a 6 digit number, this is a 7 digit number. So what will come? 6 digit number will come. So the next number will be 4, 6, 5, 6, 5, 9. Okay, then now 7 digit number will come. So it will be 5, 4, 6, 4, 6, 4, 6. Now what is remaining? This big number. So it is 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 5, 4, 7. Now it is very easy to write in descending order. Copy from behind. So it will be 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 5, 4, 7. Just copy it in the reverse order. Okay. Now let's do the second one, children. Here also, children, the first step is you see how many numbers have less number of digits, that you can write as first one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so what I will do? Smallest number is this. So in the ascending order, the first number will be 3, 2, 0, 1, 0 because it is only a 5 digit number. Now which are 6 digit numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and this is also 6 digit number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So both are 6 digit numbers. So just look at the first number. Here the first number is 6. Here the first number is 8. So which is the smaller one, children? 6. So I will write here 6. Why did it come in the second position? It came in the second position because this is also 6 digit number. This is also 6 digit number. But 6 is small, 8 is big. So next number will be 810035. So now what is the last number? 1335100. Now copy it in the reverse order. So it is 1335100, comma 810035, comma 670354, comma 32010. Is it okay? Now let's do the third one, children. First see how many digits are there. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let me put a 0 also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So all are 6 digit numbers. So let us see. All are 6, 6, 6, 6 and say suppose here also 6. Then what you will do, children? You will look at the first number. Which is the first number? Smaller? 1, right? So 1 will come first. So it will be 1, 3, 4, 5, 2, 0. Okay, now out of 7, 7, 3. Which is the smaller number? First digit, you just look, it is 3. So it will be 3, 9, 7, 6, 4, 1. See, the first digit will tell you what will be the position of the number. Okay, remaining digits you need not see because when the first digit itself is small, then you need not look at the next digits. Now look at these two numbers, children. Here first two digits are same. Here first one is 7. Here also first one is 7. So you cannot look at the first digit. Now what I will do? I will look at the second digit. So this is 1. That means 7 1 or 7 7 7. Which is smaller? 7 1. So I will write here 7 1 7 6 45, 7, 7, 1, 6, 4, 5. Okay, children, one more thing you can note here is in between the numbers don't put commas. If you put commas in between the numbers, then everything will become a single digit or 2 digit or 3 digit number. So after every number only you put a comma. I hope you have understood ascending and descending forms.